In this video, I will tell you another method for solving first order linear differential equation, which is homogeneous differential equation method. First of all, what is a homogeneous differential equation? The differential equation of a first order and first degree is said to be homogeneous if it can be put into the form dy by dx equal to phi of xy divided by psi of xy, where phi and psi are homogeneous functions in x and y. That is, differential equation, order of differential equation should be 1 and its degree is 1. That is, power of dy by dx is 1 and it is of the form dy by dx equal to phi of xy divided by psi of xy, where phi and psi are homogeneous function in x and y. That is, power of variables in numerator is same as power of variables in denominator. Example, if we take dy by dx equal to xy plus x square divided by x square plus y square. Here, power of variables in numerator is 2, power of x is 2, and here total power is 2, 1 power of x and 1 power of y. And in denominator also we have power of variables 2. Therefore, this is homogeneous differential equation. Now we will see an example of a homogeneous differential equation. Question: solve x square minus y square dx minus xy dy equal to 0. First of all, we write this equation in the form dy by dx equal to phi of xy divided by psi of xy. So, dy by dx equal to x square minus y square divided by xy, which is equal to x by y minus y by x. Now, also this equation is a homogeneous differential equation because power in numerator is 2 and power in denominator is 2, 1 power of x and 1 power of y. So this is homogeneous differential equation. Now, in homogeneous differential equation, we substitute y by x equal to some variable, say v, or x by y equal to v. Since we have here, we can write this equation in the form dy by dx equal to this x by y minus y by x. So we substitute y by x equal to v. If we write this equation in the form dx by dy equal to phi of xy divided by psi of xy, then we substitute x by y equal to v. So here we substitute y by x equal to v. Now, or this can be written as y equal to vx. Now we need dy by dx. So we differentiate this equation with respect to x. Now, so differentiating with respect to x, this become dy by dx equal to v plus x dv by dx. Now we have dy by dx. So this equation become, in place of dy by dx, we write v plus x dv by dx, which is equal to x by y minus y by x. But I write y by x equals to v, then x by y is 1 by v. So this is 1 by v minus v, or v plus x dv by dx equal to 1 minus v square divided by v. If we take this v on the right hand side of the equation, then this becomes x into dv by dx equal to 1 minus v square divided by v minus v, which is equal to 1 minus 2v square divided by v. Now we separate variables and then solve the equation. So we take v and dv on one side of the equation and x and dx on other side of the equation. So this becomes, if we take v divided by 1 minus 2v square here, So this become 1 v dv upon 1 minus 2v square, and if we take x and dx on this side, this is dx by x. Now we can integrate this. So on integrating both sides, integral v dv upon 1 minus 2v square equal to integral dx by x. For this integral, we substitute 1 minus 2v square equal to t, then minus 4v dv equal to dt, and v dv is minus 1 by 4 dt. So this integral is minus 1 by 4 integral dt divided by 1 minus 2v square, which is t. So dt by t, this is equal to integral dx by x. Now we integrate. So this is minus 1 by 4 log t, but in place of t I can write 1 minus 2v square. So log 1 minus 2v square, this is equal to log x plus log c. This implies minus 1 by 4 log 1 minus 2 v square. V was y by x, so v square is y square by x square. So this is 2y square by x square. This is equal to log cx by property of log. This implies log. Now we take power 1 by 4 here by property of log, and we take this minus side on right hand side. So this is log 1 minus 2y square upon x square power 1 by 4. This is equal to minus log cx. Now I take LCM. Log x square minus 2y square divided by x square power 1 by 4 equal to log 1 by cx. This is again by property of log. This will become log inverse of cx. So this is log 1 by cx. Now I can cancel log both sides. So this is x square minus 2y square power 1 by 4, and x square power 1 by 4 is a square root x. So this is square root x. This is equal to 1 by cx. Or if we take this x on left hand side, then this is square root x square minus 2y square power 1 by 4 equal to c dash, where c dash is 1 by c. So this is general solution of the given homogeneous differential equation. Now we will see another example. Solve x cube plus 3xy square dx plus 3x square y plus y cube dy equal to 0. Mark this equation as 1. Now we write this equation in the form dy by dx equal to phi of xy divided by psi of xy. So dy by dx is equal to minus x cube plus 3xy square divided by 3x square y plus y cube. With the dx we have multiplied with x cube plus 3xy square. So this is correct. Since we have dy by dx, we are writing this equation in the form dy by dx equal to phi of xy divided by psi of xy. So we substitute y by x equal to v, but we have no y by x in this equation. So what we do, we will take maximum power of x outside, which is x cube here, and from here we will take x cube to cancel this x cube in the numerator. Then equation become dy by dx equal to minus x cube 1 plus 3y square upon x square divided by x cube 3y by x plus y cube by x cube, or if we cancel this x cube, then equation is this one. Now we put y by x equal to some substitution. So say v, this implies y equal to vx. Now we need dy by dx. For dy by dx, what we do? We will differentiate this equation with respect to x. So on differentiating this become dy by dx equal to, if we differentiate x with respect to x, then I am left with v plus x If we differentiate v with respect to x, then this is dv by dx, and this become v plus x dv by dx. Now we have dy by dx. So this equation become v plus x dv by dx. On place of dy by dx, I write this, which is equals to minus 1 plus 3y square by x square. So this is equal to minus 1 plus y by x is v, so y square by x square is v square. So this is minus 1 plus 3v square divided by 3v plus v cube. If we take v on right hand side and then take LCM and multiply this minus on within the brackets, then this equation become x into dv by dx equal to minus 1 minus 3v square minus 3v square minus v raised to the power 4 divided by 3v plus v cube, and on solving this become minus v raised to the power 4 plus 6v square plus 1 divided by v cube plus 3v. Now we separate variables. We take v and dv on LHS and x and dx on RHS and then integrate. So this become v cube plus 3v dv divided by v raised to the power 4 plus 6v square plus 1 equal to minus dx by x, and then we integrate. This integral will become minus log x, and we will add some constant of integration, say log c, to cancel log. And for this integral, what we do, put v raised to the power 4 plus 6v square plus 1 equal to some substitution, say t. Then on differentiating, this become 4v cube plus 12v dv equal to dt, and if we take 4 common, then this become v cube plus 3v dv equal to dt by 4. Now, so this integral is what? This integral is, in place of v cube plus 3v dv, this is dt by 4, so 1 by 4 dt, and divided by this v raised to the power 4 plus 6v square plus 1 equal to t. So this is t. This is equal to minus integral dx by x as it is. Now we can integrate. So this become 1 by 4 log v raised to the power 4 plus 6v square plus 1. This is equal to minus log x plus log c. This is log t, and in place of t I write its value v raised to the power 4 plus 6v square plus 1. Now what we do? We substitute value of v, which was y by x. So this become 1 by 4 log y raised to the power 4 upon x power 4 plus x6y square upon x square plus 1 equal to log c by x. We have minus log x plus log c. By property of log, this become log c by x. Now what we do? We multiply this 4 on right hand side, and again by property of log, we take 4 in the power. Then this become log c raised to the power 4 upon x raised to the power 4. Now log and log will cancel, and this become y raised to the power 4 plus 6y square x square plus x raised to the power 4 equal to c dash. If we multiply this x raised to the power 4 on right hand side, then x raised to the power 4 and x raised to the power 4 will cancel out, and I am left with c raised to the power 4, and we write c raised to the power 4 equal to c dash, which is again a constant. Now we will do another example of homogeneous differential equation. Question: solve the homogeneous differential equation 1 plus e raised to the power x by y dx plus e raised to the power x by y 1 minus x by y dy equal to 0. We have given this equation is homogeneous differential equation. So we will use that method. We substitute y by x equal to v or x by y equals to v. If it was not given that this is a homogeneous differential equation, then again we solve this equation by homogeneous differential equation method. Why? Because we have x by y. So if we have a x by y or y by x is given in a question, then we solve equation by homogeneous differential equation method. So if we have sin y by x or e raised to the power x by y, sin x by y, so we will take direct substitution x by y or y by x equals to v and then solve. Now this equation, I write this equation in the form dy by dx equal to dy by dx or dx by dy equal to phi of xy divided by psi of xy. So I write dx by dy. Okay, so I write dx by dy equal to e raised to the power x by y minus 1 divided by 1 plus e raised to the power x by y, which is direct simplification of this differential equation. Say 1. So this is from 1. Now we have dx by dy here, so we substitute. Since we have x by y, so we take dx by dy. Now we substitute x by y equal to v. So put x by y equal to v, then this is x equal to yv. Now we differentiate this with respect to y because we need dx by dy. So this is dx by dy equal to, if we differentiate this with respect to y, then this is v plus, if we differentiate y with respect to y, then this is v plus y, and we differentiate v with respect to y, then this is dv by dy. So in given equation, in place of dx by dy, I write v plus y dv by dy, which is equals to e raised to the power v. In place of x by y, I write v. This e raised to the power v, v minus 1 divided by 1 plus e raised to the power v. Now we take v on right hand side and then simplify by taking LCM. So we have y dv by dy equal to v raised to the power ev minus v minus v e raised to the power v upon 1 plus ev. Again this v raised to the power ev and v raised to the power ev will cancel out, and I am left with minus v plus ev divided by 1 plus e raised to the power v. Now I take v and dv on one side of equation and y and dy on other side of the equation and then integrate both sides. So this become 1 plus e raised to the power v dv divided by v plus ev minus, we kept minus here on right hand side, so this is minus dy by y. Now we integrate both sides. If we integrate this, then for integrating this, I substitute y plus e raised to the power v equal to t. Then on integrating, I get 1 plus ev dv equal to dt. So this integral would become log t, and t was v plus e raised to the power v. So this is log v plus e raised to the power v, which is equal to minus log y plus log c, and v plus ev equal to c by y. This is by property, this will log c by y, and log will cancel out, and I am left with v plus e raised to the power v equal to c by y. In place of v, I again write x by y. So this is x by y plus e raised to the power x by y equal to c by y, or we multiply y on LHS and this will become y into x by y plus e raised to the power x by y equal to c. So this is general solution of the given homogeneous differential equation.